The brush holders support the motor brushes and align them with the armature. The holder is plastic and has two tabs that align it with the tool's housing. If the motor is overloaded, the heat can cause the plastic holder to melt or deform. Replacing the brush holder is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. The JR3000V was one of Makita's very most popular recip saws. They made many changes to it over the years. Because of this, when you replace one part, it may be necessary to replace several others around it. If you go to Makita's website and search for the model JR3000V, you'll find a parts breakdown. At the bottom of the breakdown, there's a complete list of all the service bulletins. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the rear handle cover. Now remove the screw that secures the brush holder. With the screw removed, I can pull the brush holder from the housing. Now I can remove the brush from the holder. To do that, I'll push the metal tab on the brush down, I'm using a small screwdriver to do that, and then pull the brush from the holder. Now remove the lead wire from the brush holder. Just twist it sideways and pull it away. Now I can install the new brush holder. I'll reinsert the lead wire and twist it so it sits flat in the back of the brush holder. Now I can reinstall the brush. I place the metal portion of the brush through the brush holder first. Then I align the carbon brush with the holder and press it all the way back so the metal tab on the brush locks into the holder. Now this assembly can go back into the housing. And I'll secure it with the screw. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the handle cover. And now you can install a new brush holder in your recip saw.